Hello everyone, Avneet this side from Cybercar Balinagar. Today we have installed my TVS Android screen in Jeep Compass. This is a 9 inches full-fledged Android tablet which has been installed in the car along with a proper frame. You can check out the fitment of the screen in the car. Along with this stereo, we have installed a proper canvas which has a major functionality that all the original features which are provided by the company in the OEM stereo works accurately. Like the steering control keys which are provided have proper functionality along with the stereo. You can have a look over it as well. Apart from this, the keys which are provided below the stereo, which is the infotainment system, also have proper functionality. Moving on to the other things, the reverse sensors which are provided in the car are also working perfectly. On engaging the reverse gear, automatically the OEM camera will be turned on, and whenever the object will come behind the car, automatically the sensors will turn on. आपको एक बारी चेक कराता हूँ. You can have a look over it. जैसी कोई ऑब्जेक्ट आया ऑटोमेटिकली सेंसर्स ऑन हो गए थे स्क्रीन पे. एंड ये हमारा OEM कैमरा है विच द कंपनी प्रोवाइड्स अलॉन्ग विद द OEM स्टीरियो. इसके साथ वी आर ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडेड विद द डोर इंडिकेटर स्विच. जैसी कार के डोर को हम ओपन करेंगे ऑटोमेटिकली एन इंडिकेटर विल अपीयर ऑन द स्क्रीन डिपिक्टिंग विच डोर हैज बीन ओपनड. जैसे मैंने राइट साइड का डोर को ओपन किया ऑटोमेटिकली एन इंडिकेटर हैज अपीयर ऑन द स्क्रीन. And after closing the door, automatically that indicator will disappear. जितनी भी हमारी instrument cluster की setting which is provided in the OEM stereo are also provided here. You can have a look over it as well. ये सारी settings हमारी OEM stereo की हैं. Apart from this, हमारा जो कार के अंदर OEM USB port company provide करके देती है that also works perfectly. And the major thing which is the AC control. Using the AC controls, automatically the screen will appear. You can have a look over it as well. Moving on to the other specifications of this head unit. In this screen we are provided with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, IPS panel and Gorilla Glass. You can have a look over the touch response of the stereo as well, which works flawlessly due to presence of capacitive touch in it. We are provided with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this stereo as well, which can be easily accessed by using the ST-Link 5 application. In order to access it wirelessly, the only thing that we are required to do is to connect a phone Bluetooth along with the stereo, after which हमारे फ़ोन की data directly screen में sync हो जाएगी. My phone has been connected wirelessly. The touch response of Apple CarPlay also remains flawless. You can have a look. So these all are the features which are provided in the stereo. If you wish to install the stereo in your car, you can contact us. Our mobile number is mentioned below. All over India delivery facility भी available है in case if you are from any another state.